Welcome to the numberGo tutorial. In this video, we are going to cover the features of the top menu bar in numberGo. Enjoy!
The first thing you'll notice when looking at the top bar in numberGo are the three drop-down menus. Starting on the left-hand side, we have the Files drop-down. This will contain a list of all the files that you've purchased from a publisher. For this video and the full tutorial series, we're going to be looking at a sample set of sales data, so that's where we're going to stay. In the middle, we have the worksheet drop-down. For this sample set of data, we only have one worksheet, and that's for the order information. If we also had return information, that would belong in its own worksheet. To the right, we have the layout drop-down. Now, layouts are used by publishers to create unique views of the data using the pivot table and charts below. To the right of the layout drop-down is the settings menu, where you have various settings at the layout level, as well as the option to export the data and save new layouts. I'll cover this menu in greater detail in a later video. To the right of the settings menu, you'll see the pivot and chart buttons. When you look below, you'll see a pivot table panel and a chart panel, which is separated by this divider. Pressing the pivot and chart buttons disables their respective panels. When I press the pivot button again, it's going to re-add the pivot table to this layout. The chart button to the right behaves similarly. When you look all the way on the right-hand side, you'll see the user information, where you can see the current logged-in user as well as log off.
Stay tuned for the next video in this series.